I thought I should come back here and give you a little bit of updates. I am now coming from Home Goods, Burlington, and Target. Now I'm about to clean the floor. The bed's out of the room and the floor is literally empty. So I'm about to clean the floor with this thing that I found on TikTok. It's called Zep. And you could also mix hydrogen peroxide and baking soda all together and it'll take the grouts out. So I'm about to do that, and then when I get back I will give you guys a little bit of update about some of the stuff that I got, and you guys will also get to see the bed and what else am I going to update in the room. So stay tuned. Okay, y'all, I give it a try over here, and this is like the difference. Like, I know you see it, this and this, that's two different things. So we're about to start spraying. Over here there's literally no crowds, so let's go. Alright, y'all, the bed is basically done. It's a full size. I don't know if I want to put it that way or that way. I don't know, but if the length could like fit over here, it would be so great. Let me try. Alright, y'all, I am not fully done with the room, but I like it. I love it. Let me see. Let me show you guys what's it giving, because to me it's giving pretty much, you see this, expensive. Once I put the pillow, once I put the sheets on the bed, let me show you guys something exciting that your girl got. Okay, So yesterday, was it yesterday or 2 days ago, I purchased these handles. Oh, my camera's dying, but let me be quick. I purchased these handles for the drawer, and they were a little bit too small, so I purchased one that is half a size bigger, which is this one. Let me open it. I'll be quick, and let me show y'all. Hopefully it fit. Okay, and these are the new ones. Let me open it. Oh, they look so good. Oh my god. They're a little bit too big. I'll just stick with the small one. Alright y'all, it's been literally like 3 to 4 days since y'all last saw me, but I have this rack. I have a rack that I need to build and a couple of other stuff, so let's go ahead and do that. These hangers are from Amazon. I will link them down below just in case y'all want to check them out. I think it's about 40 or 30 of them. Alright y'all, quick update. I was thinking about using this side table that I got from Amazon. It was about like $31. Like, it would be perfect, but I felt like the plant looked better over there than the side table, so I think I'm gonna return it. Tell me what y'all think, but I don't like it. This one right there, the side table. Like, it's too close to the bed, too close to the clothing rack. This what the clothing rack look like right now. Not much. I'm not done.
What we do here is go back.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll...
Alright y'all, thank you so much for watching. This is pretty much the end of the video. If you enjoy watching it, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. Pretty sure I mentioned where I got everything from in the video, so if I missed anything, please comment down below and I'll be sure to link everything in the description box down below. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching.